for the unit switches in use and the brainstorming for what can go wrong. So Trisha's going to just be reading off the steps, and I will try to demonstrate where each item is.
The on and off button for the computer.
Okay, so it's right on the side of the screen.
The unit on and off switch.
Okay, so it's on the back of the bracket tray. And you'll see the master switch right here. And if it says to master, it's off, and then you flip it to on.
The water bottle on and off switch.
Okay, as you come around to the left side of the chair, each of the water bottles is slightly different, but the main premise is the same. Here you can see if the water bottle is on or off. So I'm just going to flip it to on. Okay. And then I think the next one is the source. So then here, if it's down here, that would be incorrect. We want it to be towards the bottle.
Cavitron on and off.
Okay, so this is the Cavitron unit. And to turn it on, you just simply do this and you'll see the green button light up. On the back, occasionally, on the back of the units, see if I can get to it here, the actual plugins will get slightly pulled out or disconnected. So if it's not turning on by the blue thing, you need to check the plug-in and make sure that that plug-in is fully seated.
Okay, the Cavitron water line and connect.
Okay, so the Cavitron requires water, and it gets it through this blue line all the way through, and then it connects to the actual system here. And on a few of the other units, it connects in other spots, but the way it connects is always the same. You push the little clip down with your thumb and pull it off, okay? And then when you want to seat it, you push this in, and then you have to push really hard, and then you let it go, and then it's on.
The dental chair electrical plug.
Okay, so occasionally we have problems with the chair itself. Maybe it has stopped moving, and we want to be able to know how to actually unplug the unit. So all of the plugins are on this one master outlet, and the electrical chair one has a clear base. So if I can undo this, we'll see. So the one that has the clear base is the one for the dental chair always. The other ones are going to be for the computer and other items.
Ethernet cable and source.
Okay, occasionally when we have computer problems, it might be because the actual internet cord is out for whatever reason or unplugged. So you'll see a plug-in that will hook into the wall somewhere, and sometimes you'll need to reinsert that back into the wall. And then you'll also find the internet plug-in on the computer, and it'll be in the back, and you'll see it like right here. It has a little orange button.
The high-speed handpiece.
Okay, on the bracket tray, we have a bunch of different handpieces here. The high-speed handpiece has the blue tape on it, and you'll note that somewhere on the cord itself, it will have blue tape on it as well.
The low-speed handpiece.
Okay, so the low speed is this one.
And then the Ultra Pro low-speed handpiece.
And this is the one that eventually you're going to use for polishing patients, kind of a hygiene handpiece. The important part about these is to make sure that they're in the correct slots. And so you'll have to pull them away, make sure nothing's in the way, and make sure that the one that's way on the right hand is always in the right hand holder. The middle one has to stay in the middle holder. If you get them switched around, they won't work.